Right, good morning everyone. Very quick video for you. Obviously, as you've seen yesterday, we had a winner for the Sunblesa head torch. I had a message off the fella, his name's called Jamie as well, from that Lower Michigan Adventures. He's actually said for us, he sent me a video message actually last night, saying for us to do a redraw of the for somebody else to win the Sunblesa head torch. He sent me a video which I'm going to put in here for you all. He's a lovely fella, so I even recommend to go over to his channel. So if anyone wants to have a look at his channel, it's Lower Michigan Adventures. You'll see it in the video in a minute anyway, because I'm going to put that video he sent me into this video. It is on the community page on our profile. So on our profile you've got the community, which you got your video, your playlist, about things. It's on the community things. I did share that quickly last time. I'm going to put it into this video for you. So I'm going to redraw again, which should be on Friday next week, because it's obviously Saturday. I'm doing this quick because obviously we've got the party. It's now 9:30 in the morning, so I've got to basically crack on with this now. But basically, you have to be subscribed, and then put down in the comments if you want to enter. I'm going to enter the people that are in it last time, because it's only fair for them. Instead of them messaging me again, I'll just go back onto the older video and take your names back down again and put them in a hat. So if there's anyone else that wants to join in to win this Sunblesa head torch, put it down in the comments and let us know. So just quickly now, I'm going to put the other part of the video on that Jamie sent us.
So I just won one of these Sunblesa headlamps over at the theellmersadventures, and I actually put my name in the drawing, not thinking that I would ever win. And actually, I'm a big supporter of Sunblesa, and I've got quite a few lights, and I would highly recommend these lights. But everyone deserves a second chance, guys. So with this being said, I am actually gonna withdraw my winnings and ask him to do another drawing. Hopefully he'll do this, and we'll have another drawing next Friday, maybe, if that's okay with him. But yeah, I love these products. I've had them for, I don't know, 2 years now. I've been testing them, and they're great products. And I really didn't think I would win, but I've been following all of Sunblesa, and I actually have a playlist because I love their products so much, guys. Thanks a lot, guys, from all your friends at Lower Michigan Hiking and Camping Adventures. Good luck.
Right, there you go. Lovely fella. And thank you very much for doing that, Jamie. I really appreciate it. And all our subscribers would do as well, actually, for you doing that. As you've seen, he's all into Sunblesa himself. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to shoot off now. But like I said, you've got to be subscribed. Put it in the comments if you want to be part of it again. Well, not again. People that have already joined, I'm going to write their names down. But if anyone else wants to have a go at it, get your name put down in the comments. And I'll get your name down for Friday next week for the draw and the winner. See who wins it this time. You all take care and do all the good stuff. Give us a subscribe, like, and give us a comment down below. And if anyone wants a shout out, put them down in the comments as well. You all take care. Love you all to bits. Ta-ra for now.